Come test drive the 2026 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.